Hello, dear friends. Tonight, we embark on a unique journey towards restful sleep through a special meditation. Let's make this experience memorable and effective. Begin by lying down comfortably in your bed, closing your eyes gently. Take a slow, deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs, and then exhale slowly, letting go of any stress or worry. Imagine yourself in a magical forest. This forest is like no other, filled with glow-in-the-dark trees. Each tree emits a soft, calming light that bathes the area in a gentle, soothing glow. As you breathe in, you can feel the refreshing forest air filling your lungs. As you breathe out, you release any tension in your body. Imagine this glowing forest, and with each breath, let that calming light seep into your body, starting at your toes and slowly moving up. Now, imagine a friendly firefly approaching you. This firefly is your guide to a peaceful night's sleep. It hovers near you, emitting a soft, warm light. It whispers, "Close your eyes and let your mind drift into a realm of dreams." As you listen to its soothing voice, your body feels lighter and your mind begins to quiet. With every word, you feel yourself floating upwards, carried by the gentle glow of the firefly. Your worries and cares stay behind as you ascend towards the night sky. The stars twinkle, welcoming you to the realm of dreams. You continue to rise, feeling lighter, happier, and more at peace. As you reach the stars, they embrace you in their gentle light, cradling you like a parent holding a child. You are safe and free, ready to embrace a night of restful, rejuvenating sleep. Remember, you can return to this enchanted forest whenever you need to find your way back to sleep. Sweet dreams, my dear friends. Sleep well and awaken refreshed.